Welcome back to some more tarot combinations with me, Tarot and Marie. So this week we're looking at the Ten of Pentacles, and paired with each of the 22 Major Arcana cards with brief meanings for each combination. Let's get to it. On the screen for you, we've got the Fool and the Ten of Pentacles. Now, as a pair, a new journey is telling you that this is leading to long-term stability and prosperity, because this pairing suggests that embracing new beginnings with confidence will eventually bring lasting financial security and family wealth. The Magician and the Ten of Pentacles, while your skills and resources are key to building a solid foundation for the future. This combination emphasizes that through focused effort and mastery, you can create lasting wealth and generational success. The High Priestess and the Ten of Pentacles. Trusting your intuition leads to long-term financial stability. This power suggests that by following your inner wisdom, you can build wealth that lasts for generations. The Empress and the Ten of Pentacles. Abundance and prosperity are yours to nurture and grow. The Ten of Pentacles reinforces the Empress's energy, suggesting that through care and investment, you can create long-lasting wealth and family security. The Emperor and the Ten of Pentacles. Structure and authority create the foundation for lasting success. This combination shows that with discipline and leadership, you can establish long-term financial stability with a legacy for future generations. The Hierophant and the Ten of Pentacles. Tradition and family values are key to lasting wealth. This pairing suggests that following established systems and honoring family ties will create financial success that endures through generations. The Lovers and the Ten of Pentacles. A strong partnership leads to long-term financial and family success. This combination emphasizes the importance of harmony in relationships, where shared goals and values do lead to wealth and prosperity. The Chariot and the Ten of Pentacles. Victory is achieved through determination and focused effort. This leads to lasting wealth. This pairing suggests that your drive and ambition will secure financial success for both you and your family. Strength and the Ten of Pentacles. Inner resilience builds lasting success and security. This combination emphasizes that through personal strength and perseverance, you can create a prosperous future that benefits your family for years to come. The Hermit and the Ten of Pentacles. Wisdom gained through reflection leads to long-term security. The Ten of Pentacles suggests that through introspection and thoughtful decisions, you can build lasting wealth and stability for future events. The Wheel of Fortune and the Ten of Pentacles. Changes in your luck lead to lasting financial abundance. This pair highlights that fortunate circumstances will create long-term wealth and prosperity. This will benefit both you and your family. Justice and the Ten of Pentacles. Fairness and balance create a solid foundation for future wealth. The Ten of Pentacles indicates that your ethical approach to finances and family lead to lasting financial stability. A Hangman and the Ten of Pentacles. A shift in perspective leads to long-term success and security. This combination suggests that through patience and reevaluation, you can find ways to build lasting wealth and a legacy. The Death card and the Ten of Pentacles. Transformation brings the opportunity for long-term financial security. This pair suggests that through endings and new beginnings, you can create a wealth for future generations. Temperance, the Ten of Pentacles. Balance and moderation lead to lasting wealth and stability. The Ten of Pentacles shows that patience and careful management of resources will create financial prosperity that endures. The Devil and the Ten of Pentacles. Breaking free from materialism or unhealthy attachments leads to lasting security. This combination suggests that by freeing yourself from negative patterns, you can create wealth and stability for your future. The Tower and the Ten of Pentacles. Sudden changes or upheavals lead to the rebuilding of your long-term stability. The Ten of Pentacles indicates that even after disruptions, you can restore financial security The Star and the Ten of Pentacles. Hope and inspiration guide you to long-term prosperity. This pair suggests that your vision and optimism will lead to lasting financial success, and it will benefit both you and your loved ones. The Moon and the Ten of Pentacles. Navigating uncertainty with patience will bring financial stability. The Ten of Pentacles advises that even through the confusion coming from the Moon, your careful planning and resilience will lead to that long-term wealth. The Sun and the Ten of Pentacles. Joint success lead to abundant financial prosperity. In this combination, it's confirming that through your positivity and hard work, you will achieve lasting wealth and create a very secure foundation for your future generations. Judgment and the Ten of Pentacles. This is a call to renew leads that lead to financial success. The Ten of Pentacles shows that through awakening and personal transformations, you will be building a legacy of wealth that is stable. The World and the Ten of Pentacles. Completion and fulfillment lead to lasting security and prosperity. The Ten of Pentacles suggests that through achieving your goals, you can create a secure and abundant future. This will benefit yourself and your future generations. And so, if you're interested in learning all about tarot pairs, have a look at my websites. It encourages you to be able to work with this system, particularly if you look at the intermediate and the advanced. These courses are designed to help people grow. My signature courses, they are structured. Now I'm going to show you some keywords on the screen for the Ten of Pentacles. Once you've mastered the intermediate spread, this is the advanced spread. This adds layers of depth, providing a complete narrative and unlocking the full potential of a reading. Every card has a purpose, just like an astrologer's chart. Let's explore what it means when the Emperor and the Ten of Wands have appeared together in a tarot spread. This position is focused on work and duty, and the Emperor represents structure, authority and control. He's the ultimate symbol of leadership, stability, and the discipline required to maintain order in the context of work. He's the boss, the one that sets the rules, leads the charge, and keeps things running smoothly. The Emperor represents structure, authority, and control. He's the ultimate symbol of leadership, stability, and the discipline required to maintain order. In the context of work, he's the boss, the one who sets the rules, leads the charge, keeps things running smoothly. Now contrast this with the Ten of Wands, which signifies the burdens that we carry. That's the responsibilities that are piling up, the stress of overwork and the heavy load that comes from striving for success. Together in the spread, these cards create a powerful narrative about responsibility and the challenges of leadership. If these two cards appear in your reading, it may be pointing to a situation where you, or someone you're reading for, is in a position of authority or striving to reach one. The Emperor suggests the need for structure and strategic thinking, while the Ten of Wands warns that the weight of responsibilities is becoming overwhelming. In a work context, this pairing reflects a balance between power and pressure. You might be carrying a lot on your shoulders, too much in fact. Perhaps you've taken on responsibilities that aren't yours, or you feel the need to control every detail to achieve success. The Ten of Wands is a reminder that even the most capable leaders need help. The Emperor shows the way forwards through discipline, delegation, and clear boundaries. This combination is calling you to assess your current workload. Are you prioritizing the tasks that truly matter? Are there duties that you can delegate or let go of? True leadership isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about creating systems, empowering others, focusing energy on where it's needed most. However, there's a shadow side to this pairing. Together, these cards can warn against micromanagement and the risk of burnout. The Emperor's need for control, combined with the relentless workload of the Ten of Wands, may lead to exhaustion or even resentment. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it's time to step back and reevaluate. So what's the message here? It's clear, simple. Success does not mean sacrificing your well-being. The Emperor and the Ten of Wands reminds us great leaders know how to balance responsibility with sustainability. Use the Emperor's strategic energy to lighten the load of the Ten of Wands. Focus on what matters, let go of what doesn't, and don't be afraid to ask for help. This is a pairing that's a powerful lesson in leadership, boundaries, and resilience. Remember, the key to thriving isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. And so, a little bonus there on how tarot courses can actually really help you. There is an example of a complete different card to what we've been studying, but letting you know a little bit about pairings in more depth and what that would actually mean. I do hope that you enjoyed this tutorial tonight. I look forward to your company again. Thank you for watching, and if you've missed anything, don't forget you can find everything out on my tarot podcasts. Even better, go and have a look at the courses. You'll be surprised at what you can learn.